And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, oil over my hands. This video you're going to see something I buy a lot of, but I've never actually put in this video, but I own about 50 of these things, Gillette razors. I only collect the Gillette. I only collect double-edged razors. And I also shave with them every morning. I have a, what is it? A 1956 Blue Tip Gillette. I'm sure some of you know this, but I bought these for like $8. They're in good shape. This one's like mint condition, and this one looks like, I mean, what do people, when they see, look, there's all crud in there. Like the people, I was reading on the, what was it, Badger and Blade website, that like when people stop using these, do they just like their last shave croak and leave it on the shelf and never clean it? Because I always clean the razor off when I'm done. I got these two, and I also have this one. It's a Gillette adjustable. So it's coming. I rarely ever get the boxes, and I rarely ever pay this cheap for it. But if you look in here, it's a very, very nice example of an old Gillette adjustable razor. I haven't tried one of these because, I have 2 or 3 of these and they all seem to like suck. This one was nice though. This is the nicest one I've ever seen with a plastic case. It's pretty cool. It's just a generic plastic case. And also with that came with this weird Precision ASR Products, Patent USA. It's a blade dispenser. So you push it and double-edged blades come out. I just stuffed all the other blades in here. I'm gonna have to like refix it or something, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna make a video one of these days, and I'll show you all the, I'll put a cloth out here and I'll show you all the double-edged razors I have. I actually use 1 or 2 of them. If you're ever thinking of getting into using these things, my recommendation is to buy a few of them, because they all don't, if you just buy one and you don't like the way it shaves, you're going to be disappointed, because you're going to find out that these things all shave differently. They're also, I went on eBay and I bought 500 blades at 6 cents a blade plus shipping. Came like $36. I haven't bought blades in 10 years. Christ, probably almost 10 years. I haven't bought blades for these things. I just put it around, chuck it in a jar. And they shave just as good as the barber, because the barber uses these blades. They use them to shave your beard with a thing, what do you call it, straight razor. So yeah, and do I look like I gained 10 pounds in this video? Jesus, I've got curves in here. Anyway, like, subscribe. If you like the video, check out the people I have listed there. No, I'm not sponsored. I don't have 1,000 users, and I'm not going to ask you all to go see my Patreon, but like and subscribe, and if you like the channel, join it. Thanks for watching.